How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, loves, if you're new here, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. And if you are a returning subscriber, already a part of the Diva family, welcome back. Now, guys, today I am participating in a collaboration, and it is a collaboration that is being held by My Style, My Colors, and Felisa at Homebody with Felisa. And they wanted us to create a tropical vibes, tablescape, or island, or bar area, okay? Now, to tell you a little bit about these two ladies, both of these ladies are wonderful. I love watching both of their channels. They are very, very beautiful and creative creators. Homebody with Felisa, I've been following her for a very long time, and I tell you, if you are looking for some just some beautiful decor, please go over to her channel. I mean, this lady has the most beautiful decor I have ever seen. She does great styling, as well as My Style, My Colors. I've been following her for a while as well, and she is also another great creator, and she loves using lots of colors, and I love the way she styles her home. Both of these ladies have beautiful, beautiful homes. Miss Felisa loves shopping at Z Gallery, so you will find a lot of nice decor on her channel. Okay, I will leave both of their descriptions down in my description box. Okay, so let me tell you the rules for this Tropical Vibes collaboration. Number one, you are to subscribe to both channels, which I will have those both down there in my description box. Number two, you are to mention both channels in your video and place their channel links in your description box. Three, you are to compare a tropical themed tablescape or island, bar area, etc. Number four, title your video Tropical Vibes Collaboration. And five, just have fun. Now the upload date is the 6th of June, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now guys, I love decorating in the summer. I love using a tropical theme decor. I do it every year, and I like to have a lot of fun with coming up with so many bright colors. I just love the tropical vibe theme. So that's why I definitely was going to jump on this collaboration. Okay. Now, if you are not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell twice so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, don't forget to leave me a comment down below and to share my videos. I will love you, love you, love you. Okay, so guys, before I get into my tablescape, I wanted to share with you guys this. I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay guys, I just wanted to share with you this shirt that my daughter's friend made for me. She's an entrepreneur, and her name is Ivy Stubbs, and she created this shirt for me. I told her what I wanted on it, and this is how it came out. I have my channel name on here, and I just have my little shoe that I'm using now on my channel. And she does shirts, she does glasses, she does cups. So if you like this, I will leave her information down below in my description box, and you can check her out. Check out what she has on there. Again, you can follow her on Instagram at Sips and Shirts. Okay, just wanted to share that with you guys. And also, this is a glass that she gave me as a present after she made the shirt. So I am in love with this glass. It is very pretty. She has the pearls on there. She has the gems on there. And my name. And I'm hoping to use this in one of my tablescapes one day. So yeah, go check her out, guys. All right, so I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to finish decorating the table. Okay guys, let me explain what I got going on my Tropical Vibes tablescape. Um, as you see, I decided to do the tablescape and not my island or anything like that. So what I did was I wanted to give it a real tropical vibe. So I always forget to tell you about the runner. So I'm going to start with the runner. You can see that this runner is actually a blind, wooden blind roller shade, and I just made a table runner out of it. I thought that would give it a real nice vibe, and I also made matching placemats out of that same roller blind shade that I don't even use anymore. Now the place setting, as you can see, I have a tropical plate here with the flamingos on it, and that was purchased from Dollar Tree as the bowl as well. And I have my silverware here where I just wrap some jute around them to make them have that tropical feel. And my napkin, as you see here, is I believe I picked this up from eFavorMart, and it's not blue as like it's coming off on camera. It is actually like a greenish napkin. and it's a linen napkin. And I just wrapped some of the Dollar Tree lace around it for napkin rings. And right here, this is a monstera leaf. I DIY'd it. I made it myself. I thought that was real cute. And I just have my margarita glass right here. If you've been with me, you've seen this many times before. And I just have one of the Dollar Tree stirrers in there. All the place settings are the same. Now for the centerpiece, I wanted to go a little overboard, and I wanted it to be grand and really have that island feel with all the beautiful colors. So I decided to put fruit and flowers, all array of colors of flowers around it. And the flowers are all from the Dollar Tree. Right here is one of my leaves that I took off of another tree, faux tree that I have. I have a palm tree, a faux palm tree over here as well. I picked this up from Joann Fabric. I've been had this for years. I thought that would really set the tone for this tablescape. Really gives it an island feel. And for my fruit, I just have some bananas in there. I have some grapes in there and some lemons in there. And my vase is just a white vase that I already had with a leaf on it that I had glittered, and my Dollar Tree flowers in here. With the ceiling fan going, it really gives it an island feel, guys. Back up a little so you can see the whole table. Guys, don't forget to watch the playlist of everybody's video. I'm sure you'll get some good ideas and some good inspiration from all the videos that everyone will put on there. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.